Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve some fractions really quickly, and if at all you have any suggestions like which topic I should take and which all topics you want me to explain, you can write it in the comment box, and I'll be going through your comments and will post a video on that. So let's start with fractions. Here we are going to write all the shortcut of fractions easily. In this one video you can understand all kinds of fractions. So let's start with the first one. Suppose you have a mixed number. Mixed number is basically a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So if you have something like this, it's a mixed fraction. So you multiply from the bottom two numbers, that gives you 7 into 3, and then you add the top ones, 3 plus 2. So that's how you do it, and divided by your denominator remains the same, 7, so which is equal to 23 over 7. So that's your answer. That's how you convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Let's see. If you have 8, 2 over 3, so you multiply the bottom numbers, that is 3 multiplied by 8, and then add the top number, numerator. So that's divided by the denominator remains same, that is 3. So you have 3 times 8 plus 2, which is equal to 24 plus 2, that is 26 over 3. That's your answer. So this is how you solve a mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's see now vice versa. How would you do it reverse back? Till now you were doing mixed number to an improper. I will do improper to a mixed number. So if you have something like this, 47 over 6. Suppose you have 47 over 6. Alright, so what do we do? You just have to remember the QRD rule. What is Q? Is a quotient, R is the remainder, and D is the divisor or your denominator. So here let's divide. There's nothing, you just have to divide. 47 is divided by 6. So it goes 7 times. 6 times 7 is 42, and you have a remainder of 5. This is your quotient, this is your remainder, and this is your divisor. So let's put it in this place. You have the whole number part as 7, that's your quotient, and the remainder is 5. Let's put at the top of the fraction 5. Divisor is 6. That's it. That is your answer. 756. This is how you convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. So that's 75 over 6. Okay, one more way to do it. Okay, if you have suppose 21 over 5. If you have an improper fraction, now no need to divide. What you can do is just do it mentally. How many 5s you can have in 21? You can have 4 5s. 5 times 4 gives you 20, and so that means you have 4 wholes, right? And then what is the difference between them? 1. So your remainder is 1 over the denominator is same 5. That's how you can write it. That means you have 4 wholes. 4 wholes means 5 over 5, 5 over 5, 5 over 5, plus 1 more 5 over 5, plus you have a remainder of 1 over 5. So that's how it says you have 4 wholes, 1, 2, 3, 4 wholes, and a remainder of 1. So that gives you 20 plus 1, 21 over 5. Alright, so that's how you write 4, 1 over 5. Okay, let's see the third part. Okay, and the third one, we are just going to add 2 fractions. Let it be suppose 3/5 plus 4/7. Now if you have 3/5 plus 4/7, what are we going to do? You can just take out LCM, make the denominator same, or you can use your butterfly method. Butterfly method says you can cross multiply things. 3 times 7 is 21, and 5 times 4 is 20. Add them up. 21 plus 20 is 41. Divided by, multiply the bottom numbers. 5 times 7 is 35. That's it. You're done. Okay, let's see another example related to subtractions. Okay, so if you have something like this, 7/8 minus 2/9. Okay, so how would we subtract two fractions? Just the same thing, cross multiply things. 7 times 9, can use the butterfly method. 7 times 9 is 63, and 8 times 2 is 16. 63 minus 16 is 47, divided by 8 times 9 is 72. Done. Okay, so if you have multiplication of two fractions, suppose you have 3/5 times 7/2. So you just multiply the top numbers, that is numerators, that is 21, and 5 times 2, the denominator, gives you 10. That's your answer. Okay, when you have division of fractions, what would you do? 4/3 divided by 9/5. So you just use KFC. Keep the first fraction, yes. Then flip the second fraction. So it becomes 5/9. Change the signs from division to multiplication. And now this is easy. Multiply the top numbers. 20 over 3 times 9 is 27. 20 over 27. That's it. So this is how you divide fractions, multiply fractions, add or subtract fractions. Hope you like this session, and if at all you have any suggestions or any topics you need to be covered, you can write it in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.